Dear students, today we are about to discuss over the changes which occurred in your course due to the decision of CBSE under circumstances of COVID-19 lockdown. Here the very first chapter, history. In history you find that the rise of nationalism in Europe, which already taught to you, is remain in your course, and you have to study nationalism in India. Along with it, the age of industrialization, it is only for periodic assessment. So in history you have to study only these 3 chapters. Is that clear to you? In history, 3 chapters: rise of nationalism in Europe, nationalism in India, and the age of industrialization, which is only for periodic assessment. The second chapter, that is geography. In geography you have to study resources and development, which you already studies, and water resources. This chapter is included only for maps. Means to say, from this chapter you have to prepare the location of dams, lakes. Along with it, the next chapter is agriculture, to which you have to study, and it is already completed in your Google Classroom. Next chapter is mineral. In this chapter you have to also study only maps. Map are essential. And next chapter, that is manufacturing industries, to which you have to study in forthcoming month. And last chapter of geography is lifelines of national economy, to which you have to study this year. In political science you have to study only 4 chapters. Rest of the chapters taken out of your course. First chapter is power sharing, which you already studied. Second chapter is federalism, which you already study. Next chapter is political parties. It's a very lengthy and contemporary topic, to which you have to study in forthcoming days. And next, that is outcomes of democracy. Various other chapters depleted from your course. Next, in economics you have to study development, that has been already taught to you. Sectors of Indian economy, which is going on at this time, and money and credit, which you study in forthcoming days, and globalization and the Indian economy, to which you have to study in later months. In project you have to study consumer awareness, or any social issue, or sustainable development. Out of these 3 topics you have to prepare a project. Is that clear to you? A project on any one of these topics. It is essential for you. Along with it, for portfolio you have to make a Cobra file, and in this file you have to preserve all the works that have been given to you. As in the chapter development, I provided you a topic to prepare a conversation note with 3 wise persons of your neighborhood. Such type of works could be collected in this Cobra file. It is your portfolio. Is that clear to you? Next, you have to know about the completely related chapters this year. In history, print culture and the modern world, completely depleted from your course. Next, that is geography, forest and wildlife. It has been taken out of your course this year. In political science, democracy and diversity, gender relation and caste, popular struggle and movement, and challenges to democracy. Means in political science 4 chapters get cancelled, and economics no chapter depleted. You have to study in economics all chapters, because all these chapters are very important for you in forthcoming years. Is that clear to you? Now I think I told you all the essential things about class 10th SST, and as you know already, the question pattern have no changing, it remain as it declared in the beginning of the session, and certainly each portion, that is history, geography, political science and economics, preserve equal marks, that is 20 marks, and rest of the 20 marks you will get through your project works, portfolio and this periodic assessment. That's why be sincere and get involved in your study properly. Thank you.